A guaranteed part of living in the northeastern US is facing the chill of winter, affectionately known to me as Old Man Winter. Today we had the option of either staying inside and talking about the cold dreary weather, or putting on boots, jumping in the snow and living. Instead of grumping about the cold, we decided to enjoy the storm. As the cold front swept across the east coast of the US, the snow fell inch after inch. The moment I stepped outside and felt the heavy wet snow, I knew that it could only mean one thing: it was a perfect day for a sled ride. It's been at least 15 years since my last traditional sledding experience. Even though it's been over a decade, that rectangular piece of orange plastic felt all too familiar, only this time it was my wife and I sharing our 2-year-old daughter's first powdery plunge. We drove to a nearby park, got out and ran to the first hill we could find near the closed boathouse. I ran up to the top of a 10-foot slope and rode back down. The sledding track was made and we were ready. The three of us eagerly climbed the hill. Our daughter was so ecstatic to be running through the snow and throwing snowballs, she almost forgot the reason we're near freezing. With our 2-year-old held in front of me, we both sat down as rehearsed, and 1, 2, 3, we were off to the bottom. A run to the top and second round of sledding immediately commenced with Mom. Suddenly, 2 little girls were adventuring to the bottom. Our smiles were so big at that moment that no temperature could chill us on the inside. Sled ride smaller. While walking back to the car, we threw another dozen snowballs, made a half-dozen snow angels, quacked at the ducks on the lake, and most importantly, took one more ride down a small hill. Now home and cuddled with hot chocolate in hand, I think to myself, this was the best sled ride ever. Instead of turning our back on Old Man Winter, we decided to embrace and enjoy the hidden gifts this foe of many had to bear. Is there a storm in your life right now? Can you make a decision to dance in the rain or even go for a sled ride?